Hello and welcome everyone to the Analyze Data session. Today we have two main objectives. First, we want to explore how Smartsheet AI can help us analyze datasets and generate meaningful insights. And second, just as importantly, we want to understand the current limitations, so you know exactly what to look for and where you might need to adjust your approach. To make this as practical as possible, we've prepared an exercise sheet which you can find in the course materials. I encourage you to download this Excel file and upload it to your own Smartsheet environment, so you can follow along and experiment alongside me. Let me quickly walk you through the sheet structure. On the left-hand side, you'll find the area where we'll test different prompts. I write them down here so you can see exactly how they work and replicate them yourself. On the right side, we have our project dataset. This is where the magic happens. We have around 50 projects with various columns: project name, planned cost, actual cost, department, project status, focus area, savings, responsible person, customer, SWOT analysis category, and risk level. This gives us a rich dataset to work with and really put the Analyze Data feature through its paces. Now, to structure our exploration, I've organized our prompts into 4 different levels, each building on the previous one. Level 1 is what I call single operation. These are basic prompts that teach you basic grouping. Think of this as dipping your toe in the water. Level 2 focuses on calculations. Here we build confidence with aggregation, sorting, and simple math across columns. Level 3 is multi-dimension analysis. This is where you become a power user, combining multiple groupings with multiple calculations and visualization. And finally, level 4 is business intelligence, the expert level, where we combine filtering, ranking, and multiple conditions for actionable insights. Let's dive in and see how each level performs. Let's start with level 1, basic single operations. The goal here is simply to get comfortable with how the feature responds to straightforward questions. This teaches us basic grouping. Notice how the AI groups our 50 projects by their status and gives us a clear count for each category. Here we are introducing a multi-select column. This prompt shows how the AI can handle the focus column, which contains multiple values like Kaizen, OKR, and cost. Now let's move to level 2, where we start asking the AI to perform calculations. This is where we build confidence that the AI can do more than just count. This teaches us aggregation plus sorting. Watch how the AI not only calculates the totals, but also ranks them from highest to lowest. Now we're doing simple math across columns. This is incredibly useful for budget variance analysis. Some key observations. The AI handles aggregation, sum, count, combined with sorting. Simple math across columns, differences, variances, works well. Limitation. Verify complex calculations. Occasionally, the AI may misinterpret column relationships. Level 3 is where things get interesting. Now we are combining multiple criteria and asking the AI to analyze across several dimensions simultaneously. This is power user territory. We are grouping by 2 dimensions simultaneously and performing multiple calculations. This teaches multiple groupings plus multiple calculations in one prompt. This teaches counting, nested grouping, and chart generation all in one prompt. Tip: be specific about chart type, staggered, bar, pie, for best results. And finally, level 4, the expert level. Here we are asking the AI to provide business intelligence, insights, patterns, recommendations. This is where we really test the boundaries of what analyzed data can deliver. This is expert-level prompting. We are combining filtering on multiple status values, filtering by risk level, ranking by cost, and limiting to top 3. This teaches filtering plus ranking plus multiple conditions all at once. Before we wrap up, let me share the key limitations and best practices I've discovered while working with analyzed data. This is crucial for setting realistic expectations. Current limitations. Data scope. The AI analyzes only what's visible in the current sheet. It cannot access linked sheets or cross-reference external data. Complex formulas. While it understands column relationships, very complex calculations should be verified. Chart generation. Chart creation may have formatting limitations. Expect to refine manually. Context awareness. The AI doesn't know your business context. Strategic recommendations need human validation. Best practices. Use clear, specific column names in your prompts. Start simple, level 1-2, and build complexity gradually. Break complex questions into multiple prompts if needed. Verify numerical results with spot checks. Use the AI for exploration, then validate for reporting. And that brings us to the end of our analyzed data deep dive. We've explored all 4 levels of prompting, from basic single operations up to business intelligence queries. You've seen what works well, and importantly, where you need to watch out for limitations. I encourage you to download the practice sheet, experiment with your own prompts, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The more you practice, the more powerful this tool becomes. If you have questions or discover interesting use cases, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you find. See you in the next video.